أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
Respected audience, after that, I want to briefly introduce to our Diploma in English Language and Literature course with the tongue of our dedicated teacher, Hazrat Maulana Mufti Muhammad Sajjad Sahab Pasmi, to kindly come up and introduce the course.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. حامد ومصلي أما بعد. All praises are due to Allah, who has given us this wonderful and tremendous opportunity to organize this program. So first of all, I extend thankfulness, gratitude and felicitation to all the guests. They raised our head high for their auspicious presence in this program. Dear dignitaries, it is crystal clear that English language has become the lingua franca of the contemporary world. People feel proud enough to communicate in this language and they boost their trade and business through this medium. New scientific and technological terms are coined every day in this very language. It is the language of science, technology and exploration. Most research books have been and are being written and translated in this very language. Christian missionaries do globalize their preaching through this language. Islam is being maligned and its teaching are being distorted through this language. We have no team to defend Islam and sound teaching as our ulama from Madrasa, though have good command on Arabic, Urdu and Persian languages with full knowledge of prophetic traditions, Quranic commentary and jurisprudence are able to comprehend Islam directly from the original sources and preach it among the particular community, but they are unable to do the same with the intellectuals and well-educated intellectuals of the age because they lack knowledge of English language. As a result, they are not only unable to present Islam to the international communities but also fail to wash up their minds loaded with the anti-Islam concepts. Pondering upon this angle and freeing up Madrasa graduates from the inability of English language, Darul Uloom Waqf Deoband took the initiative to remove the communication problem and eliminate these deep-rooted obstacles from the way of comprehensive propagation of Islam and opened an English faculty named Diploma in English Language and Literature. This 2-year course is designed exclusively for Jamia graduates in which it imparts the selected graduates English language and literature for consecutive 2 years under the well-dedicated and expert teachers. In these 2 years, pursuers of the language almost reach the level of BA English graduates in any modern university, and they are quite able to deliver Islamic sound messages and teaching to the global brethren and to remove misconceptions regarding Islam from the minds of Islamically misled people. For this faculty, Darul Uloom Waqf Deoband provided with full, well-furnished setup, computer lab, internet, newspaper, as well as magazines and other relevant requisites to facilitate learning the language and to meet every possible need in accordance with course. It has a plan to seek the services of the professors, writers, lecturers, debaters, journalists, and IAS officers time to time to acquaint the learners with varied information and modern sciences and to share the nuances of the language with them. The audience. The DET department aims to teach the selected students the following subjects: English language and literature, including phonology, etymology, and basic of science, mathematics, geography, general studies, and comparative religion courses, as well as modern debate skills and journalism, along with extracurricular activities with weekly program, creative arts, and elocution competition. To attain this goal, it provides the learner with a coherent curricular framework and well-structured course. It has a unique and experimental system to teach them a variety of literacy and to hone them analytical, pedagogical, and theoretical skills. It encourages the exhaustive and in-depth study of language, literacy, and literature, as well as production to excellent writing in a variety of forms. The core and main objective of the department is to groom the fluent and proficient speakers, to produce skillful and talented writers, and to generate sincere and ambitious preachers, candid interpreters, and professional translators. May Allah enable us to use this language for the sole purpose of service of Islam. Request you to pray for its prosperity and success. Thank you all.
أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب